cutting about, Aliel?
The water's flooding the hiccup flowers. I have to move them before they're drowned.
I'll help. I can carry the whole bunch in one go.
I appreciate the help, but whatever you do, don't startle them.
No problem.
You sure you can carry all of those?
No problem. Whoa!
I warned you not to startle them.
Can still move them. All in one go. Whoa!
Happy to help move some flowers.
We need to do it all together. So if you take one end, I'll take the other. I'll lead, you follow.
Just be careful where you step. You don't want to...
Whoa!